We're over here in the Woodlands removing all the old kind of cardboard fascia and soffit, and we're putting in the Hardie trim, Hardie fascia, and the soffit that is vented, which we call vented soffit, taking out the old cardboard unfunctional soffit. Now what we're doing is we're putting in 2x4s behind the brick, so we got something to nail to with the new Hardie trim, and we're finished with the caulk and painting of the soffit and fascia. As you can see, the soffit and fascia is a Hardie material. It's a perforated soffit. We call it vented soffit on the flat areas, and on the gables we just use a solid. And we just added 6-inch gutters and oversized downspouts with the LeaFrees, which allow the water in the gutters, and all the water pushes the leaves and debris over. They don't sit on the top of the gutters like screens.